So I know for many of you, this was your first week of quarantine, and it gets to a certain point where you get a little stir crazy. We've had the privilege, we've been nonstop producing content, but it still gets to a point where every once in a while we gotta be able to get outside, get some fresh air, make sure we have some family time. And this week, we got to do that in a little bit of a fun way. Maybe some of you have already seen it, but for those of you who haven't, this is a segment we like to call Bad Parenting. Ma'am, could I get your quick opinion of the ride so far? How am I doing? Smell that burning? Burning electronics? Like we lost a motor, man, huh? Let's get him, man, girl. How are we feeling today? Oh, that's a poop face. Oh, she's got this, huh? Can you do more than 2 miles an hour?
It pulls a little to the right.
Well, I do apologize for the disruption in our service. We are working on an expedient fix. Well, it's just spent how long burning rubber trying to pull this whole wagon with this little girl. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, just let it go. What did mommy do? Give me that. You're banned. Are you alive, Nancy? You alive? Mommy broke my toy.
Are you serious?
Oh no, she's still alive. Should mommy be banned from touching my toys anymore? Yep. Let's go back to the house.